welcome back to my channel. I haven't said that in so long. But what's up? I hope you guys are all doing phenomenal, and if you're not, I hope that your day or your week or your month or your year starts turning around, because you deserve to be having a good time. But as you guys can see by the title, today I'm doing a birthday party get ready with me vlog thing. I don't know. Today is currently Friday, February 11th. My birthday isn't today or like really anytime soon. It's literally February 3rd.
You stupid.
No, it's not. Why did I say that? My birthday is on February 23rd, but I'm having my birthday party tonight because it's not just my birthday party. It's also one of my best friend's birthday parties and my boyfriend's birthday party. We're just doing it together, a little trio action. I'm having the party here and I just finished kind of like decorating my basement and everything for it. I'll show you later in the video, but I vlogged on TikTok today. I've been loving TikTok, so definitely go follow my TikTok because none of you do. Before we get too far into anything, I want to give a huge thank you to Karma for sponsoring today's video. If you've been watching me for a while, you've definitely heard me talk about Karma and are probably familiar with what it is because I love them and work with them all the time. Basically, Karma is a free app and Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a coupon code or a price drop on a product you might be interested in. You guys are going to see in a little bit all of the different clothing options I have for my party tonight. Like I stress out so much about finding the perfect outfit, so I obviously had to order like a whole bunch of different clothing and like make the perfect outfit. I used Karma's Chrome extension to buy all of the pieces and I got a lot of great discounts on the items that I wouldn't have gotten if I wasn't using Karma. The link to Karma is in the description, so you can just hit that link and it will take you to the Google Chrome store where you can install the Chrome extension and install Karma. When you're shopping on like the Karma homepage, you can visit any of your favorite stores. Like there's literally like thousands and thousands of stores on there, so anywhere that you're probably online shopping is going to be accessible from that Karma homepage where like you can shop. Once you get to the store that you've been wanting to shop at, you can just shop as normal, but a little Karma slider button will pop up in the corner and you can move this around to get a clear view of your screen. But this button allows you to save items that you're interested in. You can also get notifications via email or mobile push when an item you've saved goes on sale, has a relevant coupon code, or comes back in stock. I actually made a list specifically for this little party that I'm having. It just has a few pairs of like pants and skirts and then like different tops that I was interested in, and this makes it super easy so that I could like see all of my options just like right there on the screen in one place before just like buying stuff. Once you've decided what you actually want to purchase, Karma does all of the work for you, all of the searching for coupon codes out the door. Karma does it all for you. Karma literally scans the web for coupon codes and applies them automatically at checkout, so you don't have to do any work, but you're just like getting coupon codes. It's actually amazing, and the whole like coupon scanning software, that's only available on desktop, so obviously I recommend getting the app too on your phone, but the Chrome extension is a must. Also, when you shop from select retail partners, they give you cash back, which is obviously great. Who doesn't want cash back? I absolutely love Karma. You guys have heard me talk about them so many times before, so if you're interested, definitely click that link in the description to download Karma. That's pretty much all I had to say about Karma, but like I don't know what to do. It's currently 3:30 and I don't know when this party is starting. Like, yes, it's at my house, but I don't know when it's starting, and I just don't know what to do. Like, I have laundry I want to put away, but also like I have multiple things that I need to do, but I don't know what order to do them in because I kind of have a lot. I have a lot.
They gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not.
I've done a lot. It's been like an hour, a little over an hour. But now it's time to start the makeup. I haven't even talked about like the theme of this party. In case you can't tell or haven't like noticed already, it's Euphoria themed. So like the pictures in my basement, they're very like blue, purple. It's just like pretty much like the lighting, and then like all the girls are wearing like Euphoria type outfits. Obviously I want to do some really fun like eye makeup with like the gems and sparkles and everything. I want to do like a pinky purpley blue moment, kind of like this, but obviously not that great, and I can't do a cut crease like that. So we're just gonna attempt to do it, but we'll see. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer. I never ever use this. I don't even know if I like it. That was a lot. My face feels so smooth. I feel like my makeup is just gonna like slide off my skin. I'm just putting on tinted moisturizer because I really don't like how foundation feels on my skin and I never wear it. Maybe I should have done my eye makeup first. I think I always make this mistake. Do I take it off? I think I should take it all off because I want to do my eyeshadow first so that I can take a makeup wipe and go No, we're just gonna do it. So I pretty much finished my base makeup, like my face. I need to add like a little bit more like bronzer and like blush. I'm gonna start with my eyes and I'm really nervous. If you guys watch my Halloween get ready with me, you would see how much I struggled with my eyes in that video, and I'm really praying and hoping that that doesn't happen again. It was just honestly a show and I really don't want to have to go through that again. These blues and this purple are gonna be perfect. I have this palette that's been in my PR drawer for so long. The name of it is Living in Color. So I assume we're gonna have a lot of, oh, don't know if I love. That kind of wasn't what I was, kind of not what I was expecting. There's so many options. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of eyeshadow primer. I wanna give myself like a really bright base so the shadows like really pop. I'm just gonna start. I think I'm actually gonna tape off my like right here just so I have like a sharp line. Okay, I hope that doesn't get uncomfortable, but we're just packing in this like bright blue shade on my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with a deeper blue shade. I'm gonna go in with this darker blue. And I'm just going to kind of go around the edges. I just started doing my eyeshadow blue and I don't even know what my outfit's gonna be. Okay, well that kind of limits my outfit options. I'm gonna use this pink. Wait, why is this actually looking good? Like, why is it going so well? Something bad is bound to happen. It looks like I have a black eye. Yeah, so it looks like I have a black eye. I hate it. I want to literally take it off because I don't like it. It looks like I have a black eye. Be right back. Somehow I took this off and completely put on my concealer and everything in like a minute. I just can't get like the initial shape right. This is giving even more black eye vibes than the other one was. So let's just pray for the best. I am so pleased with myself. Call me a makeup artist, Bailey MUA. I don't have my lashes on yet. I was just gonna wear mascara, but I feel like this calls for lashes. So I'm gonna pop on some of my favorite lashes. You guys in my TikToks, again, follow my TikTok. You guys always ask what lashes I put on because I randomly just like put lashes on and like film TikToks sometimes. I don't wear lashes often, but when I do, I wear these ones. I love these Kiss Looks So Natural ones. They literally look so natural. I love it. My makeup is done except for my lips. My lips look like crusty right now. They have like foundation or like concealer and like they're dry as hell. But I put lip plumper on. Like I mentioned, I ordered so many different clothes to try to find like the perfect outfit for tonight. Right now I have like 3 top options. I ordered these pants from Pretty Little Thing and they're just like these zebra like flare pants, but I honestly just don't like the way they fit. I think that they could be so cute on someone, just not me. But I was thinking about wearing this with this like blue wrap top. It like goes like that and then like ties in the back. In my head this was very cute and I think that this would be very cute on someone, but I just don't know if I want to do the zebra pants. My other option, this. And these are classic black flare, like yoga pant looking things. These ones are from Shein and they have like a little flower cut out on like the hip. They're super cute, but I feel like they're kind of boring. And then I thought about wearing this top with it. Cute kind of. It's just like, again, not like completely what I'm trying to go for, but like this last one, I think this is the one I'm gonna go with. I mean, I kind of like decided these last night. I had like way more, but like I brought it down to these 3 options. Blue and purple like Shein skirt. This is kind of perfect. Oh yeah, this is literally perfect. No, I'm wearing this. My makeup looks good. Why did I pose like? I'm about to make a super cool TikTok transition with this makeup. I looked like shit earlier today and I filmed like the first part of it. I need to do my hair. I'm just gonna do like 2, like, I think. Oh, okay, whatever. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just doing like the little bubble braid thing. This is like my go-to hairstyle for when I have to do something like extra but I don't actually want to do my hair because it's so easy, and especially when you crimp it first, it just ties it together so nicely. That's it. Alright, hair is done. I'm very happy. I like this. I like this. Look. I have to like figure out what length I want it. I feel like my butt looks really weird. I have like Calvin Klein like men's underwear on. There. Oh my god. If you're wondering what I just did, if you've never seen anyone do that, basically when you like raw cut a seam, instead of like tying little knots at the end to prevent it from like fraying, if you take a lighter to it, it kind of just like mends the end of the piece. Okay, now I feel like this though has to be done. Like I have to look like a hooker. My dad watching this right now just like shaking his head. I am undressed. Well, I kept my top on and then I put sweatpants on, slippers, and my jacket because there's no reason to be freezing my ass off yet. I'm gonna take you guys down to the basement and show you what's going on down there. I gotta turn on all my fun lights. Oh, okay, so none of them work. Who unplugs these? That's what I wanna know. I don't think you guys have ever seen my basement before. This is a room in my basement that I randomly, like, spontaneously, impulsively decorated, like, 2 years ago. It was a storage room in my basement, like, in the corner of my basement, and I was like, we're not doing this. I got, like, a bunch of shelves removed. These shelves right here, I got, like, 3 of them removed, and then I bought a couch and put it under there. I kind of love it. It's kind of a vibe in here. I don't really like have people over anymore, so I kind of forget that this exists. And then out here, now I can show you guys the final product. Not really sure what this is. My mom brought him over. It's like a balloon. I do not like the color blue of this. Oh, I got it right. Cute. There's like a picture wall over here. You really can't see. It's like so cute, right? Cute. What a vibe. I always have lights down here. I don't always have like that over there. I got a little sunset lamp or whatever it is, and I love it because it like lights up this room. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I should just like turn a normal light on, you know? Like I feel like it's a nice little break to have like some normal light. Here's one last overview. I don't know where I put my phone. My pizza's gonna arrive soon. Hi guys, people have been here for like a couple hours now and I wanna go to bed. That's how I feel. Oh, this is the finished makeup. I never even showed you. I just added gems that Ryan brought. Okay, wait, hold up. I'm gonna go socialize because I've been hiding in the bathroom. I kinda wish I would have vlogged more when just the girls were here. Bye. Hey you guys, I just finished editing this video and I'm honestly so happy with how it turned out. I don't know, I love my energy and I can just tell through the screen how happy I was filming this. And I hope you guys can see that too because, I don't know, I was just having a good day this day. I was so excited. It was a great day. My party was great. I had a lot of fun. I really didn't vlog much besides that little end part just because I wasn't on my phone much. I was kind of just living in the moment and enjoying everybody's company. But I hope you guys enjoyed it because I honestly had so much fun filming it and I just love you guys so much. Like, I do not say it enough, but thank you for everything, like your comments, your DMs, your continuous support. Like, it actually means the world to me. My merch is closer than ever, and I just got my first samples, and I just want to show you guys because, like, you guys are seriously, like, you're not ready. You're not ready. It's so cute. I'm so happy with it. Again, if you want to download Karma, you guys can check the link in the description box to either add it to your Chrome or get the mobile app. So that's it. I love you guys. Follow my TikTok. Please follow my TikTok. If you're ever gonna do anything for me, just follow my TikTok. I know I said it like 8 times in this video, but none of you follow me on there. And I be posting a lot. So go get me TikTok famous. Love you.